You're watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets. Last week, the euro ended virtually flat against the dollar in volatile trading after the US non-farm payroll data were released on Friday. The US Labor Department said the economy was boosted by the addition of 209,000 jobs last month, blowing past expectations for an increase of 183,000. This figure, combined with a slightly lower US trade deficit, recovered some losses of the declining dollar. The British pound fell significantly as the Bank of England maintained its key interest rate, but with fading support for the near-term hike. GBP USD stabilized above the $1.30 level. The Japanese yen met support at the key 110 level last week. However, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard suggested on Monday that the current level of the policy rate is likely to remain appropriate over the near term. Also, weighing on the dollar was renewed geopolitical uncertainty after fresh sanctions were imposed on North Korea for its nuclear and missile programs. All in all, the dollar ended flat. Bitcoin and Dow Jones ended the week at new all-time highs. Bitcoin continued the rally after an insignificant impact of the highly anticipated hard fork that happened on 1st of August. The Dow posted its record as a stronger than expected earnings season carried on. Gold prices edged higher on Tuesday as market players look ahead to monthly US inflation indicators for fresh clues or the timing of the next Fed Reserve rate hike. A report on producer prices for July is due out on Thursday, and the consumer price inflation report will be released on Friday. The yellow metal has been well supported in recent weeks as fading expectations for a third Fed rate hike this year, combined with deepening political turmoil in the White House, boosted the appeal of the precious metal. Oil prices steadied on Tuesday after news of lower crude supplies from Saudi Arabia offset higher production from Libya and the United States. Saudi state oil company Aramco will cut allocations to its customers worldwide in September by at least 520,000 barrels per day. Production from Libya's 270,000 barrels per day Sharara field is returning to normal after a disruption when protesters broke into a control room. Baker Hughes data on Friday showed a cut of one drilling rig in the week to August 4th. You were watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets.